Apple has done it again by launching a whole new series iPhone 17 lineup. Now they have iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air. The biggest question of all is it time to upgrade if you have any older devices? If you have anything under iPhone 13 Pro Max, yes, this will be a biggest upgrade in terms of camera, in terms of performance, as well as the battery life. If you are trying to compare with anything over than that, then that might not be a big change. Let me give you a quick number here. Display wise, identical, has a 3000 nits peak brightness, which most of the people won't even recognize it. Anti-reflecting properties, which is just a gimmicky feature. Performance wise, Apple always perform better, even though if you have an older device. And camera wise, still exactly the same, which is 48 megapixel camera, has a f1.8. Battery wise has been bumped all the way to 5000 now. So that's a little bit a better upgrade. In terms of front facing camera, there has a center staging, so that means every single time you're trying to take a photo from selfie, now it's not a vertical, it has a square sensor, which a lot of people might not see a big difference. But if you still need to upgrade your iPhone to iPhone 17, you don't have to go with the Pro Max, because you have 120Hz refresh rate, which is a ProMotion display across the whole lineup, which is 17 and 17 Pro, has identical display as a Pro Max. That used to be a big difference. If you're trying to upgrade from iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max, that's the upgrade you used to get. But now iPhone has that feature, that Apple has launched that similar feature for across the whole lineup, which is good. But in terms of iPhone 17, it is for the person who does not require anything, no camera, no battery. They just want something in aesthetic wise only. It has okay camera, it has a front and center staging camera as well. It has a manual control. The battery is very smaller compared with iPhone any other lineup, like 17 and 17 Pro Max, or even 17 Pro as well. It is a thinnest of all. Yes, it is the thinnest phone in the whole world. Compare with the Samsung Galaxy Edge as well, which Samsung has recently launched. It is okay to use. However, comparing with any other device, this is not usable. If you compare it side by side with iPhone 17 Pro Max, you can see how thin it is. Exactly the same feel that you are holding a tall display, you're holding a tall phone. Overall, iPhone 17 launch is a perfect device for anybody who wants to upgrade, and it has a better feature. Obviously, every single year they do an incremental upgrade for camera, display and everything in general, but it all comes down to your preference, which one you're gonna go for.